I am Bharat Agrawal representing Vicharak from NIT Surat, and today I present how we are approaching the Kochi Metro Smart Indian Hackathon problem statement.
We have classified in three stages. The first is data ingestion, the second is sorting, and the third is predicting. First, the data will be entered in level 1, the unclassified data. Then it will be clubbed in level 2. And then for the comparison and priority based ranking, all trained data merged in a single sheet.
Here you can see this is the loss function which was coming when we are training our model. We have used three type of loss function: MSE, mean squared error; MAE, mean absolute error; and RMSE, root mean square error. 365 days data of a train, a single train. So this is the mileage per day according to this, cleaning done or not, fitness certificate 001 or not, job card status, bay allocation, brand A left, brand B left, scoring, this all is done. We have output CSV file. We will get the output CSV. There we can number 17 goes 94.87. So this train will go on revenue. This train will go on the maintenance. Prototype that we are using. Let's go with the login. Here, first you have to enter admin email and then password. Then it will be login. Put the certificate that is required. For example, I am at the rolling stock certificate. And let's choose the job card status. Card status for 4th week, 10th of September. The mileage data will come from sensor, so we can then clean it and mileage that just approves the cleaning and mileage 10 cleaning schedule. And after that, we can just go and process and generate it. This will clean the data, fill out the missing fields that are required. Next, this is the rule-based ranking of the train. These are all closed, these are open. It says job card status and this. You can see this is excellent and this is good and these are average and this. This is a rule based. We'll do priority based. Now this is priority based and we can see this maintenance, standby and revenue and service. Let's go to the final classification where each train is divided into revenue and service, standby and maintenance. Next, bay allocation. Here we can see there are two type of depots and there are two bays that can be allocated. So this is how we will put the
In
train.
this section, it will also show why this train is on the top or why this train in the maintenance. Now the user will give the feedback and overall satisfaction level. There will be a simulate scenario button where user can click and drag and drop the trains. The overall ranking will be recalculated.